In this video, we are going to build a fully functional Shopify store by using this AI tool. It's a vibe coding tool called Lovable. By giving a few simple prompts, we can able to build a fully functional e-commerce store. Of course, this tool is not free. It gives us 5 free credits per day, maximum of 30 credits per month. If you want an extra free credits, before you sign up Lovable, use my invite link in the description below to get the extra 10 credits. First, let's see the demo of this Shopify store what we build in this video. You see, this website we built using the Lovable and integrated into the Shopify to get the complete 30 days free trial. We built this store in the name of U-Shirts, just a made up name. You see that we displayed the ratings here based on 10,000 customers. Of course, you can able to place your own values here. At the same time, and you see the title and description, one primary button and one secondary button. Under that, there is a 3 core features of this website is added. First is a free shipping, quality guarantee, 30 days return. Of course, you can change any of these text you want based on by giving a simple prompts. Okay. The next one you will see our collection. This is where the real product grids. You can scroll down to see full set of t-shirt that we are selling using this Shopify store. So what I am going to do is just adding this t-shirt and adding this t-shirt and this one. You see that we have a proper notification system at the top by mentioning that particular t-shirt name has been added to your cart. If you see the top right corner, the cart icon, there is a 3 cart items has been added. That's true, we added the 3 items. If I click on it, it expands the shopping cart and these are the products we just now added. And I can able to increase one particular count or decrease it to remove it. Increase again, then you see this is reflecting a proper sum value of the quantity of per t-shirt too. And then if I click the checkout with a Shopify, it will open up the Shopify checkout properly. And where I can able to enter my email and mobile number and filling all the details, entering the payment and the billing addresses will automatically get the order into the Shopify dashboard. By using the Lovable AI tool, you can able to build your entire Shopify website within a day. Along with that, you will get an extra features like 30 days free trial on Shopify. If you are selling your product on offline, this is the right time to build a Shopify store and go online. By using this 30-day free trial and easy to build from the Lovable tool, you can able to experiment your website with your existing customer. Whether they are adapting from the manual task by placing an order in a WhatsApp message or directly calling and placing the order by voice, you can just build your Shopify store to experiment within the 30 days. If your customers are easily adapted to your new Shopify store, you can continue the Shopify subscription for upcoming months. For this process, Lovable is totally free. If you want to get an extra 10 credits, use my invite link in the description before you sign up. Without this tool, to build a Shopify store, you have to hire a freelancer or Shopify agency, which they requires thousands of dollars to build a Shopify website, and of course, they will take a lot of time to finish the project. By using this Lovable AI tool, we can able to build a Shopify store in a day. To top of that, you get a 1-month full trial on Shopify. This is what we are going to build today without any coding knowledge, just by entering a few simple prompts. Let's start our building process. First, I opened a Lovable and entered a very simple prompt. Build a t-shirt Shopify store for my business. The brand name is U-Shirt. That's all. And just hitting enter. With this simple prompt, Lovable AI is doing the thinking process by its own, and it is expanding our simple prompt more effective way. What it's saying now is, okay, I will create a beautiful modern t-shirt store for U-Shirts. You see the features, the hero section with the brand statement, product catalog grid where you saw their feature is product detail page with the size and color variants we can able to choose from, and adding a shopping cart functionality. And nowadays most of our visitors coming from the mobile devices, so it making the mobile responsive design also. For now, the design system, it randomly chosen teal primary color. Of course, you can able to enter your own color code later on this prompt to change it. The typography, animation and style, everything is in the place. What it's saying is, once you build the total website, you can click the client store button to get your fully developed website to your Shopify account with a 30 days free trial. It is clearly saying after that period, we have to subscribe the Shopify, not for the Lovable. Okay, Lovable is just for a one-time building process. To start building the Shopify store, we have to give a allow permission to Lovable. What it's saying is, it will gain an access to add products, images, discounts, manage everything with Lovable. So you just enter the prompt to add a product in future, just for an example. Of course, you can able to control everything in a Shopify dashboard itself without coming Lovable also in the future. Second, sell anything. Sell physical or digital product just like a normal Shopify store. The finally, it's saying it's start for free and pay when it's ready. This is just in a sandbox store, which is an experiment purpose or development purpose only. Once everything is ready, you can click the claim store button to get the 30 days free trial from that particular date. Okay. By agreeing all of this, I am just clicking allow button. You can see side by side is building a Shopify store. You don't need to understand what it is doing, but it's doing a proper Shopify store development process. And finally, it's built the store. This is the first time of the preview. Of course, we can enter the further prompt to improve our store. Right side, you will see there's no product found. We have to add a few demo products for this video purpose. Of course, you can able to add your own products by editing them later. But for now, what I am going to give the prompt is add 10 demo t-shirts with its size and color variants. I'm clicking enter. Like you see here, we have a balance of 1.73 credits for today. Of course, it will reset tomorrow morning for an extra 5 credits. If you want an extra 10 credits, use my link in the description below for an invite. To create each t-shirts, it is asking a permission, so I am just giving an allow. Of course, this is not a recommended way. You can add your products directly in your Shopify, because in a Lovable, it is going to spend a lot of credits if you just want to add a demo products or the real products from the Lovable prompt. But just for a video sake, I am just giving this prompt and giving an allow for it. Finally, you see the 10 demo products is added here. The issue is that we don't see any images here. We have to give a further follow-up prompt from there. And I would like to turn this store into an Indian store, so that's why I just want to make it, instead of USD, I am just giving a prompt for an INR as a rupees. So what it's doing now is generating those images for the t-shirts, and I'm giving an allow for it. And finally, you will see that the changing currency settings is available on a Shopify Store admin panel. So we have to change the currency on Shopify Store admin panel. Change the currency and just clicking a claim button, clicking a claim again. Since I don't have a Shopify account, I'm creating a Shopify account. In the next screen, it's again confirming us to claim the store. So I'm just clicking the claim store. Once I click the claim, it's saying the Shopify Store is ready. So I'm clicking open Shopify admin button and logging into the Shopify account. You see here the 10 demo t-shirts are there. Shopify itself added a few demo products. I'm going to delete those, just keeping our t-shirt products only. Scroll down and see these are the demo products that are added by the Shopify itself. So I'm selecting all those and clicking delete option. As Lovable previously said, to change the currency settings, we have to go to the settings. In currency display settings, change store currency, selecting an INR for an Indian store. So I just saved it. It is updated in the Lovable. The currency settings is also changed in the Lovable preview, but the one issue I say is a dollar symbol. So I am just going to give a further prompt to fix it. Like you see here, I just entered the simple prompt. It's changed the store currency overall. The next issue I saw in the website, the hero section is not that much very conversion focused section. The next prompt I'm going to enter is improve the hero section with high converting first fold. At the same time, I don't see an effective footer section. It's just saying the copyright bar. That's all. So what I'm saying here is add CTA above footer, improve the footer. Currently it looks very simple. I'm just hitting enter. So after a minute, it completely built the high converting hero section and also the CTA section and the complete footer. Like you see here, this is a review. It improves the trust and credibility, and it improved the title and the description, gives the primary and secondary buttons, and also the 3 core features of this hero section that will help the visitors to think to buy from this shop without any second thoughts. These are the trust must-have elements for a hero section or in the website. Of course, these values are made-up values. You can able to enter the further prompt to change those texts. At the footer, it's also developed the CTA version and expanded the footer version. Now it gives us an extra idea of collecting an email from our visitors. So if there is any massive offers going on in our store, we can notify them using an email newsletter. Of course, you can place your social media links to that icons. In this website itself, everything looks clean. So I'm just clicking a single product. You see the title, pricing, description, and the size and color variants are important. We can able to select and add to cart. From here, I can able to increase the quantity of this t-shirt. At the same time, by updating the quantity, it also increases the total amount. So everything seems like working fine. So I'm just hitting the publishing the Lovable, and again I'm opening the Shopify admin and clicking the home, and here you see the Lovable site is connected. Click the view button. By clicking that, you can able to view your website on a browser, and of course you can able to share that particular link to your friends or colleagues to get a further feedbacks. So now you saw how we build a fully functional Shopify store by using the few simple prompts and claiming the store for 1 month free trial, with also using a Lovable for free account. If you wanted extra 10 credits in a Lovable, use my invite link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want similar kind of video, subscribe to my channel, and if there is any part of this video is not fully clear, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.